Namaskar, I am Shravani Banerjee, Kathak performer from Kolkata. Today I am performing live on AFP page under Jhankar group conducted by Papia. This is my first live performance on AFP page. So thank you Jhankar, thank you Papia. Before my performance, I would like to pay homage to my all gurus. First of all, Srilekha Mukherjee Didi, amar pranam neben. I would like to pay respect and pranam to late Pandit Am Prakash Maharaj ji, Pandit Vijay Shankar ji. Om Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Please give me permission to begin my solo performance. And thank you, all of you, my AFB friends. Please stay with me and please watch my performance. All of you may be knowing the history of Kathak, but today I want to relate history of Kathak with my today's performance. There is a very popular saying, Katha kahe so Kathak. All one who tells stories is storyteller. So we, all Kathak performers, are storyteller. In ancient age, there was a most professional storyteller. They narrated epics and mythological stories with the help of music, song and acting. They mainly narrated the epics and mythological story in the temple yard. And these art form flourished with the patronage extended by the temple, priest and devotees. And nowadays also we just begin our performance with Vandana or Stotra or Stuti. Today also I am beginning my performance with Durga Stuti. It's not Stuti, it's Khyal sung by Jainul Abidin. And this Durga Stuti is symbolized as the temple age of the Kathak. So my first performance is Durga Stuti. It's a Khyal sung by Jainul Abidin. Please stay with me. Thank you very much.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्मै नमस्तस्मै नमस्तस्मै
Thank you very much for watching me. Thank you very much, all of my Yogi friends. During the Muslim age and the Mughal period, the form of Kathak was changed. Then the patrons were the emperors. The content of the Kathak was changed. And then Kathak was the court dance. And Kathak entered its golden era in Mughal period. Then the dancers just concentrated on the pure dance, the nritta. And the techniques, styles, trays, all are changed. And they emphasis on the brilliant vibration of rhythm. We saw the absence of religious theme and started a new music called Lehra. And this is my next performance is Talang based on Tal Dhamar 14 beats. This music is by Rakesh Mishra and Pankaj Mishra, and this item I just show some padan, tihai, footwork on. This is purely dance, pure dance, nritya, and this item is symbolized as Darbari age of Kathak. Thank you very much. Please stay with me. again to. The, de, na, de. Ito na pag take. Take, to, take, jack. Ito na pag sa take to, take, jack, sa take, to, take, jack, pang, check, sa take. Take, to, take, jack, pang, check, sa take. In the British period, in the British age, the form Kathak was very much neglected. In the British period, Kathak came to be known as the Nautch. But previously, in the history of Kathak, the contribution is very much significant. He was a poet, a dancer and musician also. So, at that time, the Kathak was enriched with ghazal, thumri and so many poetries. My next item is ghazal, sung by Soumen De, tabla by Pratik Mukherjee and Maloy Banerjee. This item, ghazal, is symbolized as the British age of Kathak. Thank you very much. Please stay with me. Thank you. Help किया, काम आ गया।
ढलते जाए शाम के साए, लेकिन साजन तुम नहीं आए। ढलते जाए शाम के साए, लेकिन साजन तुम नहीं आए, तुम नहीं आए, तुम नहीं आए। कब से राहों में बैठे हैं, कब से राहों में बैठे हैं, कब से राहों में बैठे हैं। आँखों के हम दीप जलाए, लेकिन साजन तुम नहीं आए। आँखों के हम दीप जलाए, लेकिन साजन तुम नहीं आए, तुम नहीं आए, तुम नहीं आए। तेरी यादों की खुशबू से, तेरी यादों की खुशबू से, तेरी यादों की खुशबू से, तेरी यादों की खुशबू से हमने दिल के शहर बसाए, लेकिन साजन तुम नहीं आए। हमने दिल के शहर बसाए, लेकिन साजन तुम नहीं आए, तुम नहीं आए, तुम नहीं आए। तेज हुई है दिल की धड़कन, तेज हुई है दिल की धड़कन, तेज हुई है दिल की धड़कन। साजन तुम नहीं आए, शायद अब वो आ जाए, लेकिन साजन तुम नहीं आए। ढलते जाए शाम के तारे, लेकिन साजन तुम नहीं आए, तुम नहीं आए, तुम नहीं आए।
And now, Kathak reached to its highest peak. Today, Kathak is the most famous classical form of dance. And Padma Vibhushan Pandit Biju Maharaj Ji created so many things, made so many things, Kathak, ballet, dance drama, and so many things. And other gurus also contributed so much. So this age is modern age or the creative age of Kathak. In this part, my item is Dhruv Tirtal, some Tihai, Padan, and some creative ideas. Music by Rakesh Mishra and Pankaj Mishra. Dhruv Tirtal. Thank you very much to all of you. Please stay with me and please watch my performance. And this is my last performance, Dhruv Tirtal. पढ़न के अंदर इसका जो रिदम है वो झरने का उछला हुआ पानी। राधा कृष्ण जी की छेड़छाड़। ठनी ठनी राधा जाए यमुना तट संग से, सब चाल चली मतवारी मतवारी। तत्ता हे तत्ता हे तत्ता हे तत्ता हे तत्ता हे ताहे हे तत्। माथ घाट बिच शरण कन्हाई, शरण कर मुस्काई मुस्काई। ताज जगत कर शाम 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 तक थे लिपट चिपट चूड़ियां करवा। हद सखिया मेरे हाथ छोड़ा नाने नाने तेरे खोद types of 9. The different types of rhythm of 9. Now, now. Ek, do, tim, cha, cha, pa, che, sa, ta, na, na. Ek, do, tim, cha, pa, che, sa, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Ek, do, tim, cha, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. और करण के बीच में एक स्टोरी ऑफ dowry system. There is two families, one family of bride and another family of bridegroom. One family says this thing you have to give. Another family says no, it's not possible. One family says this thing you must give. Another family says नहीं ये माँ नामुमकिन है.